All right, this is Xavier. He's got a lot of lint on him. So just like all of them, we're gonna start with the shoulders or the body, however you want to think about it. And we're gonna take that straight edge at the bottom of the shoulders and line that up with the straight edge at the bottom of the block. Then I'm gonna put his head in place. And you can see on this that I deliberately cut the fabric. So on the shoulders piece, the fabric is running, the cross hatching on the body is running straight up and to the sides. And on the head, I turned the piece sideways so that they're running at angles. I like to do that so that I'm gonna outline this and you're gonna see that clear definition between the head and the shoulders. But I like getting a little extra definition in there from the pattern on the fabric. So if the fabric has a directional print, I will deliberately try and position things so that it'll contrast with the other pieces around it. I did not do a great job with that on the ears. The ears really are kind of continuing the same direction or very, very similar to what's on the head. I could have done better with that. Then we get his nose. And one eye. And the other eye. Now he's ready for outlining.